Alright, welcome back to JC's 876, the channel that gives you everything about Jamaica. Now guys, I just want to give you guys a quick highlight of some of the things that are happening over here in St. Thomas. Now, this area is Wilmington, St. Thomas, and I'm just going to give you some pictures of some of the things that have already started to happen, guys. Remember, I'm going to be keeping you abreast as much as possible throughout this storm, so stick and stay. Remember, like, subscribe, comment and share, guys. And just stay connected and stay safe, stay dry, and make sure you put in all the necessary preparations for this storm. Don't be naive about this storm, guys, because this storm is going to be a very powerful storm. If you remember Hurricane Gilbert in 1988, this one is going to be worse. So be prepared, guys. Take it as serious as possible. Don't pretend as if it's just going to be a little breeze. This one is the real deal. Alright, guys, stay safe.